a chance. Telling me to dance, taking a chance.
Hey awesome people, welcome to this week's episode of So Addicts. I'm so glad to have you guys here on my channel. Today we are making scrunchies. So I've kind of noticed the scrunchie trend now. I think the scrunchie is kind of a hit or miss for most people. You know, you either love wearing them or you just hate them. You just don't like them. So I decided to kind of take it easy this week, you know, do something a little easy since I've kind of been bombarding you guys with a lot of heavy tutorials. So we're taking it easy this week and just doing a kind of easy DIY scrunchie. As you can see, they do look kind of cute, you know, maybe if you put them on the right way. They're a little cute, and I guess this video can also be kind of dedicated to back to school. You know, a lot of moms out there could make these little cute things for their little ones, and you can also customize them with different fabrics, which again, I had a bunch of scraps just laying around, so this was super easy to make. It's super also beginner friendly, I should say. I mean, it took me about 15 minutes, so I mean, if anything, it should probably take you about 30 minutes. So they're super easy to make. You can make them custom, different colors, different materials. And I don't know, I just find them really, really cute. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can see more awesome videos from me, and you can also be part of the So Addicts family. And let's get started. So when it comes to fabrics, you just want to grab any of your scraps that you have laying around. As you can see, I have a few laying around that are just different colors, and we're going to be making different scrunchies. So getting started, you want to cut out 22 by 3.5 inches rectangle. And then you also want to get a 3 1/4 knit elastic. So now we're going to fold over a rectangle just like this. And now, as you can see, I'm pinning across this edge. So we're going to sew down across this edge a 1/2 inch on the sewing machine. So you want to sew a nice straight line from the top to the bottom. So now that we have sewn along that edge, now we're going to turn our tube to the right side out. So you want to grab a safety pin and just hook it on one side of the tube, as you can see. Now push the safety pin towards the tube. So this is going to allow you to flip or basically push your tube so you can bring the right side out. So as you can see, I'm pushing the pin, and this pin is basically grabbing that edge so I can push it through the tube and bring the right side of my fabric out through the other side. So you want to repeat this step until you bring your fabric out to the right side. So now, as you can see, my fabric is pulled to the right side. You just want to make sure to press this neatly on an iron. So now that we've pressed this, we're going to grab our elastic. So for elastic, you want to cut about 9 inches long. Now we're going to feed our elastic through the tube. So again, you're going to grab a safety pin and clip it on your elastic. And now you're going to walk your elastic through the tube. So one trick to make sure that your elastic is not going to go through the tube, you can pin the edge right here so the elastic doesn't move, and you're able to actually pull it through the other end. So you just want to walk your elastic through the tube all the way to the other end. Now that we have our elastic out, now we're going to put our elastic over each other, as you can see, and you just want to sew this down on the sewing machine. After sewing it down, it should look something like this. Now we're going to finish up the raw edges of our scrunchie. So to finish up the raw edges, all you got to do is just basically fold over that raw edge, as I'm doing now. And we're basically just going to put it over the other side. So I folded over that raw edge of one side, and you just want to basically put it over the other raw edge, as you can see here. And now we're just going to slip stitch that closure. So you want to close this up by just slip stitching it. So I'm grabbing a needle and thread and just picking the fabric little by little until I close that seam. So you want to do this on one side of the fabric, and then you flip over the scrunchie and do it on the other side as well. And after sewing this down, you are pretty much done. You have a lovely scrunchie. You can make this as many times as you want in all kinds of fabric to match your outfits and things that you make. I got a little crazy, and of course you can see, just love the way they look in all the fabrics. And yeah, so get making and enjoy your beautiful scrunchies.
Telling me to dance, taking a chance.
So that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was short, sweet, and fantastic. I mean, they're just cute. They're cute. You can do so many things with them. And I guess it's also a good way to get rid of your scrap fabric, to be honest, because I had mine laying all over the place. Anyway, so I'm so glad you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And I want to see your photos. Tag me on them. I want to see everything at Dami Adenike X on Instagram. And if you have any questions or concerns, or you just want to say hi, please make sure to scroll down and leave me a couple of words. I'm definitely looking at those as well. And last but not the least, please scroll down and hit the red subscribe button to see more awesome videos from me and be part of this huge family. We're growing every day, guys. Please. So I hope to catch you awesome sew addicts here next week.